Hi, this is Helmut Flasch, and I'm going to talk to you, most of you know me, but I'm going to talk to you about how in this economy, which, is a little bit, down, how helping other people is a phenomenal thing to do based on, it's just phenomenal and the right thing to do, even if you have yourself a hard time. Okay? Help doesn't really become so much help if it's kind of like, well, I help you when I am myself fine. Help is you help unconditionally. But in any case, that's a whole different ballgame. In an economy like today, if you as a business owner, as a doctor, give back to the community, it sticks out, it's more recognized, and it's more reciprocated than in good times. Helping is always good, and those activities which I'm talking about now of giving back to the community in areas of your own, offering your service to the people who are less fortunate in terms of money, completely free, with free center, with 3 days of treatment, and any treatment, not like some spunky, oh, I do a little test which takes me 3 minutes to do, and now the guy finds out whether he has this or that illness. No. That's not a community service. Okay, treat people. Okay, all right. Now, that type of thing, getting children involved in things which have nothing to do with your business, and all these activities, do them enormously more often than you possibly imagined. It's just, I cannot tell you how much. It's emotional. It's incredible. I cannot tell you how many of our current clients experience miracles on 2 levels. They love it. The community loves them back. The priests who send people who need help for dentistry, and they get all kinds of things fixed. The little child who has a couple chipped tooth and mom has no money and she gets it fixed. The mom who loses her teeth and gets a denture or gets a periodontal disease fixed, and whatever it might be. The happiness in those people's eyes. We're not talking about bums. We're talking about people who are caught in the crossfire of a bad economy. And if there are a few bumps in between, so what? Maybe that's a token of them saying, there are people out there helping me. Maybe they come back. It doesn't really matter. Help people. And it's the other people around you who will embrace you for it. And as I said, this priest sending the poor people, all of a sudden, sends family and able and rich church members to do dentistry today. And guess what? Comes himself. You do this whole thing in a good and great amount, and for all purpose. If you do this systematically with a little bit of a strategy behind, there will be all the marketing you need. Now, some of you may say, and I've heard it, doing good things shouldn't be done to get things back. Okay, yeah, we should all do good things, which is why I'm now saying, just go ahead and do good things. No matter how much you're suffering in business, you're still better off than the people who lost their job, lost their house, and all those type of things. And it doesn't matter whether they lived over their means, so to say, bought a too expensive house. It's not important. Help. Don't judge. Just help. And here's the thing. I have heard that actually, saying, let's say Brad Pitt and his wife built houses in Louisiana or somewhere anyway there down in this area, and they do it for publicity only, and that's bad. Really. First of all, I don't buy it a bit. Brad Pitt and his wife, Angela, built houses because they like to help people. I have never met either one of them, but the fact is, I can see it in their face that that's what it is. End of discussion. They don't adopt 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever it is children in order to do public relation. They love children. Now, let's assume and put the devil on the wall that they don't. They don't. Trust me, they like to help. But let's assume they only do it for public relations. They still help people to have a house. And they still got children to have a home. So I would urge you to really listen to my videos and to my stuff, and to do activities to help the community about 100 times more than you ever imagined. It is the right thing to do, and it will be the best marketing you ever did. Could it be a better win-win situation? I don't think so. Thanks.